Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini DIY lightboard that you can use for online school presentations, online teaching, or meeting, or anything you would like. With the COVID-19 pandemic, many of us are forced to stay at home, and if you are a teacher or student that prefer to write on board, this lightboard can offer that traditional way of teaching, where you can physically write on it. First thing we need to do is to plan. I did a simple sketching to provide a general idea how the final look's going to be, and it may or may not be the same as the real one. In this project, we need a plexiglass sheet, white LED strip, and MDF board. First, we need to make the main frame. After the cut, go ahead and sand the edges to make it smooth. Make one bigger and two smaller size. And then attach the smaller one onto the big one with wood glue. And let them dry. It should look like this. And don't forget to make two of them. Make another one for bottom frame and make a small hole on one of the sides for the LED. Now we can proceed to make the legs. And yes, make two of them also. Then go ahead and glue the frame on the legs. I also made a small support for the bottom frame and attached them on both sides. Now we can attach all of them together. I add another support here to make the build sturdier. And it looks pretty good. Another thing we need to add is the bottom plate. This will hold everything together and it will give more balance. When that's done, we can proceed to paint it. I suggest a black color so that when you are teaching or doing presentations, the audience will focus on your writing rather than the board frame. For paint, I use acrylic color on the first layer because it dries faster. Then I add spray paint for the next layer. The spray paint gives the glossy finish, which is nice. Now we can install the LED strip. I add double-sided tape for a stronger grip. Connect the LED with a connector so it can access to a power supply. And we can proceed to test it. Looks good. And now we can glue the connector on the wall. Now, time to install the plexiglass. After that, we can do another test. And I think we did it! The LED light will shine through the plexiglass and the top edges will appear shiny. Now we can do the writing test. We need a dark background for more effective view. Personally, I think it looks great, but there's something wrong here. It's on the wrong side. To overcome this issue, you just need to flip the image on the computer. Your camera software should have that feature. And that's it! You can now use this for your online meeting and write with ease using your new Lightboard. With its small size, it's easy to carry and place on your desk whenever you want it. This is also great for anyone that prefers traditional way of writing on board, especially for online meeting. And I found a good use on that midsection space. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for tuning in.